What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted coming at y'all with another video. And this video right here, man, is another debate that you guys always talk about.
Producer.
But this nigga right here, man, he a young nigga. He fly, I came in front, you feel me? And he is a celebrity, you know what I'm saying? Or a son of a celebrity, you feel me? That name is, man, the dad is P Diddy, you feel me? Y'all know his son, man, King Combs. Young nigga doing his music thing and all that, you feel me? I respect the little nigga grind, you feel me? Cause his dad's dumb rich, so he really don't have to do shit, you feel me? But he's still, you know what I'm saying, going doing his own thing, you know what I'm saying? He's still, you know, he ain't riding his dad clout, you feel me? He ain't no clout chaser, he just doing what he gotta do as an individual trying to make it. Young nigga trying to make it. That's what's up, man. That's what's up, man. I respect black men like that. So that's what's up, man. He doing this stuff, man, but you know, you guys always bring him up and always ask me. And this video right here was highly recommended too as well. Since I've been on like kit situations and stuff, we've been on the kit debate. I know this last video I did, well actually not the last video, but the last before last was Deontay Hunter. I couldn't even think of his name. Anyways, I did a video on him. You guys was like, man, do P Diddy's son. So King Combs it is, man. We finna see if this nigga got a kid. I don't know. I'm about to look more into his pictures and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all want to do this video? I'm doing it. So you know what it is, man. It's PB Gang, man. I do it for y'all. So that's what y'all recommend. So that's what's up. I wouldn't be a content creator, I wouldn't be a real YouTuber if I wouldn't listen to my followers. That's what you do, you know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, man. But yeah, we gonna find out if he got a kid or not, but I don't know. We gonna go through his IG, we'll go to the IG, we gonna get on the computer right here, we gonna mouse it up, see, scroll down, see what's up. See a little couple pictures he got on there. And I'm following him, but I don't be all on his pictures like that. So we finna kinda like do a reaction to his waves and see, you know what I'm saying, how wavy he is, because he is a waver. You know what I'm saying? He's a celebrity waver. And to be honest right now, ain't no celebrity right now killing him. I'm just saying, ain't no celebrity right now doing things like him, man. This wave is wavy. We about to go in depth to see that texture though, and see if we can see some type of kid in there or whatnot. I don't know. We gonna find out right now though. So keep it locked. Let's get it.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
All right, gang. So we are now on his Instagram, man. King Combs is right there. If you guys want to follow him, y'all can follow him right now. He has 1.1 million followers. Feel me? So he's a celebrity. A lot of y'all might say, oh, he ain't no celebrity. He's just a son of a celebrity. His dad is P Diddy, so that's why he's a celebrity. That's why he's not a celebrity, because he don't really have, you know what I'm saying. Yes, he does have clout, bro. He be with everybody, and he does do his rap shit. You feel me? Pretty nice, cool, you know, young guy, you know, young dude trying to get it. No disrespect, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can't really hate on a nigga trying to get it. Young dude trying to get it, you know what I'm saying? With Chris Brown right here and all that. But anyways, besides all that, man, let's get straight to the point. Let's see this picture right here. What y'all think, man? From right here, this look like coarse hair. You feel me? It doesn't look like a kid. This right here. You know, this guy is really a waver too, because I be seeing stuff, you know what I'm saying, on my timeline. I be seeing this stuff, bro, and he be brushing, like he be having little pictures with him brushing and stuff like that. He be showing his fresh cut and all that. Young nigga cocky or whatnot. He actually liked one of my pictures a while back. You know what I'm saying? If I find that picture, I'll post it up right now. I was like, yeah, I was kind of hyped, you feel me? So he see me, you feel me? I know you see me, bro. You know? Yeah, so that's one picture right there. Go right here, you know, and he be with his other niggas is wavy too. His peoples is wavy. Like this young dude, he wavy too. You can't really see these ones. Let me see. Let's find a picture. See, he got the do rag on, whatnot. You know what I'm saying? Look like a so many wave do rag. Right here, look like so many wave do rag. I don't know. Oh, okay. Here go one right here. It's a video. Let's see.
Are you ready for this video also?
And then he got this chick brushing his hair. To me, this don't look like a kid. I ain't gonna front. It don't look like a kid. Look, cause it could look coarse. You know what I'm saying? Like silky coarse a little bit. Bro, what y'all think about that, man? I don't think that's a kid right there from that. But that brush though, I wonder what brushes that is.
Are you ready for this? My video also.
Them bristles look pretty long. I don't know, bro. Let's see right here though. Okay, see now right here. This right here, it looks like a kit, my nigga. You feel me? How them edges look right here all straight. You know what I'm saying? This right here, it looks like one to me. I feel like, me personally, this. You know, but them other pictures didn't look like one. So it's like his hair be looking different. You know what I'm saying? But then again, it could be the filter, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. But from where I'm looking from me, my eyes, what PPI see, and I'm looking at this right here, with the filter or whatnot, it could be the filter. I don't know, but this look like a kid to me. You know what I'm saying? It just do, bro. Real talk. It's just because the edges how it is. You know, a kid, you can see them edges like, you know. You see right here how the edges come in, look kind of nappy right there. That's his natural hair growing in. You know, so I don't know, bro. Like I said, I ain't trying to shade him or nothing like that, because I do respect his grind. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of the reason why I didn't really want to, I could have been, I thought about been doing a video like this on him, but I didn't kind of want to do it like that, because he did show love and like my picture. And I know a lot of people take things in a different way. You know what I'm saying? which is the reason why I don't like doing videos like this. But it is what it is, whatever, man. Let's go to another one. See this from a distance. From a distance, look, you know what I'm saying? He said going back to Cali, so he in Cali. From a distance right there, bro, I came in front. The shit look wavy, bro. You know what I'm saying? It look defined and all that from afar. It don't look like a kid right there. That don't. You know? Let's try to find some more pictures, man. Let's go. Trying to find some, okay, let's see this. Okay, he was at the Super Bowl, okay. Are they showing his hair? You can't really see his hair though, you know? Can't really see his hair though. We need to find a picture with more hair, okay. See, that don't look like one. He brushes too, you can see he has connections. He has smaller waves too. You know what I'm saying? Because he's a coarse hair waver. You know what I'm saying? Like, his hair is coarse, bro. That's why his waves are so small. The coarser your hair is, the smaller your waves are gonna be. If you didn't know, now you know. You know what I'm saying? So that's why he does have forks though. You know? Well, you can see right there, the connection's looking on point though. You know what I mean? Let's see if we can see something else. This nigga always wearing do-rags, y'all see? Always wearing do-rags. He's a waver, bro. And that nigga in the back, wavy too. Look at the dude in the back. It's homie, wavy. I'm telling you, he be with wavers, bro. Like, his little squad is wavy. Okay, here's another one. Is this a video? Yup. Okay, let's see. Let's see, my nigga. Let's see. I wanna see this shit. I liked it before though. Ooh. Nigga. This don't look like no kit. This look like just pure definition, bro. The perfect length and all that. Yeah, bro. That do not look like a kit to me, bro. That look like pure definition, my nigga. After a fresh cut. I don't know if he woofs or not. I don't know, bro. I never see his hair long. I always see it short. If he was a woof, though, I know them things would be popping more. But that right there, you can see definition. You can see connections. He has forks. Yes, he does. But it still looks good, bro. Like, it's just healthy. It looked healthy to me. Right there. That doesn't even look like a kid. So I'm saying it look different. Like, different times. So I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it look different, bro. Yeah, man. See? Let's watch that one more time, though. Peep it out. Look real closely. Look real closely, bro. Close, okay? Look close, man. So I got a flex, I got a flex, I got a flex on you. One of the times when I was mad, you tried to flex. Ooh. So I got a flex, I got a flex. Flexing on you. So I got a If I had to pause, bro, I promise you, my nigga, I'll pause it though. Them shits look nice, man. I can't. Them shits look nice, man. If you a real waver, you know, my nigga. Them shits look nice, and that shit do not look like a kid right there. That lineup look nice. The whole head look nice. Pause. You know what I'm talking about? Real talk. I look nice, man. So skim through these pictures. You know, it just look like he got a bunch of grease in his hair right there. You know. Yeah. So I don't know, bro. What y'all think, man? Let's see. Let's see. Look at that. That don't look like a kid either. It looked like he was on stage, he was sweating a little bit, and you can still see the dippers. And you know what I'm saying? You can see he has coarse hair. So I don't know, bro. A lot of niggas know who he is. Everybody, a lot of wavers know who he is because he is a waver, bro. And he's putting on for the young people. The young, you know what I'm saying? Young dudes trying to get it. Young dudes trying to wave, trying to get they, you know, known and all that. I be seeing people, like a lot of people tag me into his stuff all the time, bro. So I'll have, even if I don't see it on my timeline, I'm going to see it because somebody tagged me into it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a big waver, so a lot of people be wanting me to see his waves because his waves are actually dope to be a celebrity. You know what I'm saying? They connected and all that. So I feel like he's doing this shit. I feel like, you know, he doesn't have a kid. I mean, what y'all feel about it? Y'all feel like he do or whatnot? Y'all want me to do this video? So I did it. I hope you guys liked it. If you're new tuning into the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button as well, man. Join the gang, man. Join the notification gang. Please hit that bell, man, so you will not miss out on none of the videos that I drop in the future. Tomorrow. That's the future, bro, because I drops. You know what I mean? I drops. But yeah, man, y'all go follow him. You know what I'm saying? If I want to follow him, you feel me? I don't know if he have a YouTube or whatnot, but yeah, go follow him, man. Show love, man. But with that being said, man, I love all you guys, man. And y'all stay wavy, man. Keep that brush moving, man, because that's the only thing that's gonna get them things popping. That brush, all right? And grab them Royal products as well. If you want to purchase some Royal products, comment below. Comment below. You could comment below, or you can also hit the button below. You feel me? I'll put a link right there below. Actually, now I'm gonna hit the link. Forget it, because a lot of you guys hit me on the DMs, and I just really, my DMs be flooded, bro. I can't even front. So if you want to purchase a product, man, just hit me up in my email, poppyblast1@gmail.com. You will see it right there in the description box. Just email me, bro. Email me, tell me what you want. I got you. We got 7 products. Now I'm doing a full Royal products review too real soon, man. Y'all just need to use that, bro. If you want to get your hair healthy, man, you want to get your shits popping. If you thinning and all that, man, I got RTB. That'll make your hair real thick and all that, bro. That's another video coming out too, man. I'm gonna do like a reaction to my other RTB. I ain't gonna spill the beans, bro, but just know it's going down, man. But I love y'all, man. I'm out of here. Deuces.
Double up 3 or 4 times. I ain't telling no lies. I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up. I ain't telling no lies, I just, yeah. I ain't telling no lies, I just